Good afternoon once again. Welcome to the channel. I have unboxing part 2. This is from Paracentric. I have no idea what's in here. Let's dig in. This looks like stickers. Yep, I think that's what they are, stickers. Oh, this looks like a private note maybe? Paracentric says, "Hey PP, hope you enjoy the package. Every lock has a key, but the locks without boxes on the first layer have their keys in a bag. Don't like to ship locks with keys in them. These should keep you busy for a while. Looking forward to your continued progress. Paracentric." Well, thank you very much, Paracentric. I really appreciate that. And I've got 2 stickers. Gonna have to put one up on the board today. I'm sure I can find a spot for you. I can make a spot for you. Let's see what's in here. Okay, there's the first layer. Okay. Oh, Abus 84 Ti 40 titanium. I already have a titanium. I have yet to open. Is this the challenge lock you were talking about? Looks like an engraving of LSV with a bunch of hash marks on it. I'm assuming this is the oh, what's this? Something else written on it? Thin ice first challenge lock, March 28th, 2021. This is the challenge lock you were talking about. Lock Sport Viking. Oh, alright. I can just barely make that up. Alright. Set that aside. That's a special one. A tumbler from Corbin. A WB. There's the titanium. This is the second one of these I've got. I got one from Picksmith I haven't opened yet. Oh, look at this little lock. It's so cute. $65.20. That's going to be a mini lock Monday lock for sure. I'll save that one for later. A couple of door tumblers. Probably 5 pins. And the keys. That was the first layer. Wow. There's way more in here than I thought. Ooh, solid brass Abus 5525. That's an opportunity for an opal right there. I might do another video today for an opal. That's very tempting. Thank you, Paracentric. I'm going to set that one over here. That looks very tempting. Holy crap, I finally got one. Oh my god, this thing is heavy. Gendike. This thing is incredibly heavy. Wow. I don't know what kind of lock this is yet. Someone make a comment down below. Educate me, please. What kind of lock is this? I forgot. I should know what this is, but I forgot. And yet again, another American lock. Oh boy, that makes 5 I have to open. This one feels a little different. This is the bigger brother. Whoa. Yeah, that's a bigger brother of the other 4 that I have. Oh my. And another American lock, probably the same type. You know, it's a smaller one. That makes 6 I have now. I got to get on these American locks. Master lock. Ooh, is this a lotto? Does Master make lottos? Yep, it's a lotto lock. I've got a lotto lock. All right. Oh, man. All these locks that you all have previously opened. Come on, get in there. All right, that's a lotto lock. That's a... Ooh. Alpha. Very nice. Comes with a box. The box is in bad shape, but it still has the box. Various other tumblers. Brass CK Schlag. Federal. Another tumbler. This one's from TSS. Solid brass rim cylinder. I've got a couple of these. Brass mortise cylinder. And it looks like another brass mortise cylinder. Yep. And, oh, another one hiding. Commercial grade solid brass padlock from LSDA. Wow, this is awesome, Paracentric. Thank you. Wow, I gotta get busy. Lots to do. Well, that's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Shout out to all my subscribers. And peace be with you to all my Parkinson disease warriors and my lock sporting friends. Catch you on the next one. Good afternoon.